Hello, good morning viewers. In this tutorial, we want to find a solution to one of the symmetrical functions of quadratic roots, which is alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4. The question reads, if alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0, we want to find the value of this. Alright. Before I start working on this, let me show you what this question is asking us. If you solve this quadratic equation, you will obtain the values of x as negative 2 or 1 over 3. So if alpha is this negative 2 and beta is this 1 over 3, alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4 will be equal to negative 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 over 3 to the power of 4. And if you simplify this, you shall obtain 1295 divided by 81. But we don't know which one is alpha and which one is beta. Therefore, let's assume alpha is equal to this 1 over 3 and beta equals negative 2. The same thing if you say alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4, this will be equal to 1 over 3 raised to the power of 4 minus negative 2 raised to the power of 4, and you shall obtain negative 1295 divided by 81. All right, this is 81, sorry. So these are the two possible solutions. Now let us start working on that. You know that alpha plus beta, which is sum of roots, can be obtained by taking negative the coefficient of the middle term, which is x, divided by the leading coefficient, which is a. And this is equal to, b is going to be equal to 5, but this is negative. So we have negative 5 divided by a, which is the leading coefficient, which is 3 here. So we have 3. So this is the sum of roots. Let us find the product. The product will be alpha multiplied by beta, which is equal to c divided by a. And you know that c is the constant, which we have as negative 2. And a is the leading coefficient, which is 3. Now we have our product, which is negative 2 over 3. Now let us simplify alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4. Alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4 can be simplified as alpha squared minus beta squared multiplied by alpha squared plus beta squared. If you expand this, you shall get this back. But this is also difference of 2 squared, which can be simplified as alpha minus beta multiplied by alpha plus beta. And we have the other one, alpha squared plus beta squared. Remember, in our simplification, we only have alpha plus beta and alpha multiplied by beta. Therefore, we have to also simplify this and this. Let me start with this one. To obtain that, you can expand alpha plus beta raised to the power of 2, which can be written as alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta. This is exactly what we are looking for. You can see it here. We can now make it the subject of this equation. It will be equal to alpha squared plus beta squared equals, you take this, you subtract this, alpha plus beta to the power of 2 minus 2 alpha beta. Now you can write this instead of this. All right, let's continue. So this becomes alpha minus beta multiplied by alpha plus beta, then multiplied by, we have all of this, alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. Now you can see we have sum here, we have product here, we have sum here. This is only what we have to simplify again. To simplify that, we need to expand alpha minus beta squared, and this is equal to alpha squared plus beta squared, then minus 2 alpha beta. Again, alpha squared plus beta squared is just equal to this because that's what we simplify to get that. So this is equal to alpha plus beta to the power of 2 minus 2 alpha beta, but we have another negative 2 alpha beta, negative 2 alpha beta, making negative 4 alpha beta. This is equal to alpha plus beta squared minus 4 alpha beta. But remember, this is alpha minus beta all squared, but we are looking for alpha minus beta, therefore we can take the square root of both sides. Alpha minus beta will now be equal to plus or minus the square root of alpha plus beta all squared, then minus 4 alpha beta. Now instead of this alpha minus beta, we can now write this plus or minus square root of alpha plus beta squared minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4 is now equal to plus or minus the square root of alpha plus beta all squared minus 4 alpha beta multiplied by alpha plus beta multiplied by again alpha plus beta raised to the power of 2 minus 2 alpha beta. All right, now everything is written in terms of product and sum of roots. Now we can substitute our sum and the product in this equation, simplify to get our answer. Alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4 is now equal to plus or minus into square root of the sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta. It is given as negative 5 over 3. So we have negative 5 over 3, but this one is squared minus 4 multiplied by the product. The product is negative 2 over 3. Negative 2 over 3. Then multiply by the sum again, which is negative 5 over 3. Multiply by the sum again, which is negative 5 over 3 all squared minus 2 multiplied by the product, which is negative 2 over 3. Now let us continue simplifying. Alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4 will be equal to plus or minus into the square root of negative 5 squared is 25, 3 squared is 9. Then minus minus is plus, 4 times 2 is 8. Divide by 3. Multiply by negative 5 over 3. Multiply by negative 5 squared is 25. Divide by 3 squared is 9. Minus minus is plus. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Divide by 3. We are moving. Alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4 is now equal to plus or minus into the square root of. Now we can make this one to have a common denominator by multiplying this by 3, multiply this by 3 as well. We have 25 divided by 9 plus 24 divided by 9. Multiply by negative 5 over 3. Multiply by, we can do the same thing here. Multiply the top and the bottom by 3. We have 25 over 9 plus 12 over 9. We are almost done. This is equal to plus or minus into square root of 49 divided by 9. Multiply by negative 5 over 3. Multiply by, this is going to be 37 over 9. This is equal to plus or minus, the square root of 49 is 7, square root of 9 is 3. Multiply by negative 5 over 3. Multiply by 37 over 9. Now let us remove this plus or minus outside. Then we multiply these numbers together. 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. Then negative 35 times 37 will give us negative 1295. Negative 1295. Divide by 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. All right, we're almost done. Therefore, we say alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4 is either equal to, if you apply positive sign, you have negative 1295 divided by 81, or alpha to the power of 4 minus beta to the power of 4 is equal to, if you apply the negative sign, it will make this positive 1295 divided by 81. And therefore, this is our required solution. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.